Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 15. What is a leading diagonal? The answer is, it is a motive wave. Wave 4 overlaps with wave 1 and the name suggests. It is at the start of a cycle in A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The start will be 1. And the ABC, the start will be A. So the leading diagonal can happen in wave 1 in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and wave A in the ABC.
Quote number 9. Bill Lipscotts said, "If most traders would learn to sit on their hands 50% of the time, they would make a lot more money." This means that the best traders know that patience is the key to making successful trades. Don't trade too often and avoid overtrading. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel and follow us on social platforms.